This is Joe from Real Success, and today we're going to talk about the importance of having strategies as an investor. To make the strategies easier to understand, I've divided each of these strategies into groups based on how they're used. These groups include business strategies, smarter strategies, wealth building strategies, debt strategies, and passive strategies. In the next few videos, we'll be talking in detail about each investment strategy. Let's start with the business strategy. These strategies can generate income and replace your job, but you must be prepared to invest the upfront time and effort of a business startup in order to make them work. These are fix and flip and wholesaling. The next strategy is a starter strategy. This is one of my favorites, as it's one of the safest strategies to get started in real estate investing. And in some cases, with a little hard work, you can even get started with a small amount of cash. These are house hacking, live and then rent, live and flip, BRRRR investing. BRRRR stands for buy, remodel, rent, refinance, and repeat. The next ones are the wealth building strategies. The focus of these core wealth building strategies is turning a small nest egg into a large amount of wealth. Real estate investing has long been an ideal vehicle for this purpose. These are short-term buy and hold rentals, long-term buy and hold rentals, the rental debt snowball plan, the all-cash rental plan, and the trade-up plan. The next strategy is the debt strategy. These debt strategies put you into the profitable and often passive role of lender instead of an owner of real estate. These are hard money lending and discount note investing. The next strategy is the passive strategies. Although some of the passive strategies I'll share still involve important upfront investment decisions, they require less day-to-day hassles than some of the prior strategies. On this category, we have syndication and crowdfunding. Thanks for watching our short video section, and I hope this brought value to your investment career. These are the basics of real estate strategies, and if you want to learn the ins and outs, click on the link below. This is my website where we educate people on how to achieve financial freedom through real estate investing. I'm here for you. We're in this journey called life together. Let's enjoy every moment and do what we truly love, whatever that is. And let's create real success for everyone.